Hole number 10, Valley Golf Club on the tee. Handicap 12. Cap. Good shot.
Press. Bunker, yung second shot ko. So, anong pipiliin nating club? Press, anong pipiliin nating club? Ah? Ano, 52? 52 o pitching? Okay. My second shot is on the green, 100, bunker. So, pitching. Pitching or 52 ako. Tingnan natin kung papasok. So, itong sabi ni Kwan bigay ito sa akin ni Press 100 yards, Press? Alright. Second shot. So, yung third shot ko, nasa fringe. So, hopefully, playing birdie tayo. Sidikit lang natin para mag-par. Alright, mga kapar. Third shot ko. My third shot is 58. Try nating dumikit lang sa pin. Alright. So, siguro, estimate ko 10 to 20 yards. Maybe, 20 yards. So, muntik na ako mag-hole in one. Hole in one, muntikan na. Kala ko nandyan yung pin Okay, 50 tayo. So, chance natin birdie. Press. Okay. Alright. Okay. Chance for par, mga kapar. Yes. Chance for par. Hole number 10. Oh, kulang Press. Boogie. Boogie tayo, mga par, sa hole number 10.